Okay, we put the iPhone in an Otterbox. Okay, so that's in there. Okay, then this is the mount. You can see it sort of screws on there with the two bolts up there, and then this central bit you can unscrew so that using that screwy thing there, so that this can sort of point. This whole bracket can point in any direction you want it to. It springs together like that. The phone just sort of sits there in the Otterbox and everything. Only slight problem is that this one here, this bit here, can sort of press on the volume key. But as long as you position it correctly, that won't happen. And it's all up and running. You can use it really easily. It doesn't get in the way. And generally, it's extremely firm. It's never even closely come off or anything. It's gripped completely securely. There's no way that that's going to be a problem.